In this video, we are going to see 6th Standard English Term 2, Lesson 1 Sports Stars, Section 3. Before going to the lesson, let us see some words and their meanings. Correspondent, reporter. Commitment, dedication. Never say die, do not stop trying. Civilian, ordinary people. In the last two sections, we have seen about Mithali Durairaj and Usha Rani. Here we are going to see a badminton player, PV Sindhu. The word badminton will instantly bring PV Sindhu in everyone's mind. Yes, we used to see her in many advertisements, isn't it? Have you seen? Yes. Pusharla Venkata Sindhu is one of the two Indian badminton players to ever win a silver medal in 2016 Olympics. The other being Saina Nehwal, who has won a bronze medal in 2012 Olympics. PV Sindhu's full name is Pusharla Venkata Sindhu. Here two of them won medals in Olympics. PV Sindhu won silver medal in 2016 Olympics. The another one is Saina Nehwal. She won bronze medal in 2012 Olympics. Sindhu came to international attention when she broke into the top 20 of the PWF, Badminton World Federation, in September 2012 at the age of 17. She is one of the top 5 shuttlers in the women's singles category. Sindhu became famous when her name placed into the top 20 of BWF, that is Badminton World Federation, in September 2012. At the time, she was 17. And she is the one of the top 5 shuttlers. Among the 5 shuttlers, she was the one of the shuttler in the women's single category. She started playing badminton at the age of 8. Though her parents were professional volleyball players, Sindhu chose badminton over volleyball because she drew inspiration from the success of Pullela Gopichand, the 2001 All India Open Badminton champion. Sindhu started playing badminton at the age of 8. Her parents are professional volleyball players. Even though she has not selected volleyball, instead of that, she selected badminton. Do you know why? Because she was inspired by Pullela Gopichand. Pullela Gopichand is 2001 All England Open Badminton champion. Sindhu first learned the basics of the sports with the guidance of Mehboob Ali. She then joined Pullela Gopichand Badminton Academy. Yes, Sindhu first learned the basic sports with Mehboob Ali. Then she joined Gopichand's Badminton Academy. And who is his inspiration? Pullela Gopichand's Academy. While profiling Sindhu's career, a correspondence with the Hindu wrote, "The fact that she reports on time at the coaching camp daily, traveling a distance of 56 km from her residence, is perhaps a reflection of her willingness to fulfill her desire to be a good badminton player with the required hard work and commitments." The Hindu correspondent means reporter, he wrote in the Hindu magazine about her career. That is, she is punctual when she was in coaching camp, though she travelled 56 km per day from her home. She travelled a long distance. It shows that she has willpower to achieve her goal and to be a good badminton player. She worked hard with dedication. Commitments means dedication. She worked very hard with dedication. So children, we also have to work hard to achieve our goal. Gopichand seconded this opinion. The most striking feature is Sindhu's game is her attitude and the never say die spirit. Pullela Gopichand, who inspired PV Sindhu, said that the important thing in our game is our attitude and the never say die spirit. Never say die spirit means do not stop trying. She was going on trying to achieve a goal. Despite PV Sindhu being busy with her training schedule and international tournaments, she managed to attend regular school until class 9, after which all classes were through correspondence. She did balance both her passion as well as her academics, and she holds a bachelor's degree in commerce BCom. Sindhu was very busy with a training schedule and participating in international tournaments. She managed to attend the regular school until class 9. Then she continued her studies through correspondence and she holds a bachelor's degree in commerce. After joining Gopichand's Badminton Academy, Sindhu won several titles. She has won many awards as well as cash grants for her contribution, and among them, these three awards were conferred on her by the Indian government. After joining Gopichand's Academy, she won many awards and titles. In that, these three are given by Indian government. They are: in 2016, she received Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, the highest sporting honor of India. In 2015, Padma Shri Award, the fourth highest civilian award of India. Civilian means ordinary people. Arjuna Award she received in 2013. Let us know a small information. Do you know? The second most popular sport in the world is badminton. Do you know which is the first popular one? Yes, it is football. Let us see some more information about PV Sindhu. She was born on 5th July 1995 in Hyderabad. Her parents are PV Ramana and P. Vijaya. She received Padma Bhushan Award in 2020. She won a gold at the 2019 World Championship. She is the first Indian to become the badminton world champion and the Indian woman to earn an Olympic silver medal. So children, you also have to work hard like PV Sindhu and have to do something for our nation.